everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. Welcome, my name is Kanella Ciraco for those of you who are new watching. So this is my third last painting before I take a little break for myself while I pack up my house. But for you guys, don't worry, there will not be a break in videos. This, as I said, this is the third last. I have 2 more videos to do for you guys. And then after that, my pre-recorded videos will kick in starting December 5th. So 2 more to go after this. And then I am going to start packing up my entire studio and everything else in this house so that we can move. It's been a very stressful time. I'm extremely exhausted. But the show must go on. So that being said, it is Friday that you guys are watching this. I am recording this Thursday afternoon. So happy Thanksgiving to my fellow Americans. I hope you guys are eating a lot of turkey and having a good time, or had a good time, because you're watching this on Friday. So it's Black Friday. So don't forget, there is the LoliVefe Black Friday sale kits going on. There's the 2 kits available. The Big Bang box and then smaller spaces. I will put all that information in the description below, as well as pin the information to the top of the comments on this video. So you guys can see what's happening. There's only 100 units per kit, okay? Once the 100 sells out, that's it, it's gone. So this is a really good deal happening right now. If you're interested in LoliVefe products or want to give them away as gifts for Christmas, don't forget you could also still save an extra 10% off using code Kanella10. All right, so that is the one thing I wanted to mention. The other thing I wanted to mention is I am doing another crystal resin Christmas kit. This will be a Cyber Monday sale, okay? The sale will be effective first thing Monday morning, or first thing Monday, Cyber Monday, Eastern Standard Time, okay? And there are 2 kits available. There is going to be a 1-liter kit and a 1-gallon kit. And there will be some really cool Christmas silicone molds. I will put the pictures up here so you can see them. So you will be saving $50 off of your 1-gallon kit. And I think it's $30 off the 1-liter kit. And it is free shipping within Canada and the US, okay? So this is a great deal for crystal resin. And for those of you who are in the US, you actually get an even better deal because the prices for crystal resin are in Canadian currency. And when you shop on the crystal resin website, you are paying in Canadian, which means once it's converted into American funds, it's actually cheaper than that. So you're getting a double good deal there. So keep that in mind, and shipping is free. But there are only 50 units per kit. So there's only 50 1-gallon kits and only 50 1-liter kits. So don't delay, and don't forget Cyber Monday, okay? That is when the sale will be. Go on the crystalresin.com website and order yours on Cyber Monday before they sell out, okay? All right. Oh, that was a mouthful. Now, I am working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas. And in my last video, I shall show you the dried results. I just remembered. Dried results of yellow and blue, and I am happy with it. Look how pretty it is. I'm super pretty. I'm super tired. I'm super pretty. No, this is super pretty. I'm super tired. That's what I am. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I said that. So anywho, yeah, so actually it goes this way. I'm so tired. Okay, so this dried really well, and I'm really happy with how it looks. It's just so soft and subtle. So this is going to get a coat of crystal resin, and on the end of my table over there, I have the blue piece, the pink piece, and the green piece, and now this piece will get added to it. I'm going to resin them all tonight, and they will all be available for purchase. So I'd like to get rid of these before I move. I don't want to pack them up and move them to my new home. I'd be afraid the movers might damage them. So if you're interested in one of those pieces from my last 1, 2, 3, 4 videos, please email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. I will do a little bit of a discount on them because I do want to see them go to their new homes instead of coming to my new home. So I would like to get rid of them and sell them off. It's not something I would typically do with new pieces, recent pieces. I wouldn't put them on sale, but I am going to put these ones on sale a little bit because I don't want to pack them up and move them to London, Ontario with me. All right, so if you're interested, let me know. So in the last video, I asked you guys if you wanted to see more gray base and then what colors with it. I had a few people who said they were tired of gray, and I can understand that, but the majority rules and everyone still wanted to see gray, and I got a lot of red. I want to see red with gray. I want to see red and orange with gray. I want to see red and purple with gray. So definitely doing the red, and I decided to add purple to it today. So that is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to tell you what the colors are. So I have them backwards here, but Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza. Then I have Carmine by Amsterdam. Then I have Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Then I have Winsor Violet by Winsor and Newton. And at the bottom, I'm going to have Quinacridone Crimson by Holbein. So these are the colors. Now, the only iridescent, metallic, or shimmering paint it actually is, I was going to say in here, I thought it was just the silver, but I also have the Pearl by Arteza. And then, of course, my base paint is a mixture of Oxide Black and Titanium White by Amsterdam. Okay, I made my own gray. And everything here is mixed with water and Floetrol. You can check that out in video number 63. It's a full tutorial on how I mix my paints. All right, I'm going to get my paper towel. I'm going to get my gray. I'm going to flood my canvas, and I shall be right back. All right, everybody, so the canvas is flooded. I'm ready to go. I'm really starting to like the J anyway, so I'm gonna go with that. J, L, backwards J, backwards L, call it whatever you want. So I'm gonna go with that. And I'm going to do very little of this Holbein because I do not want it to take over. Okay, I think that is good there. And then the rest, I'm gonna load it up. I'm gonna load the rest up for sure. All right, and let's do the iridescent silver. You know, gold would have been a really nice color to add to this, but not on a gray background. I thought it would look a little funny, but gold with purple and red would look really nice. Just not with a gray background. Maybe a white background or a black background, but not this gray background. All right, and then last but not least, the Arteza. That is a lot of paint. I did squeeze on a lot of paint on this. All right, let's pop the bubbles. Oh yeah, there's a lot of paint on this. All right, so I'm gonna start here and work my way up and then finish this off at the end. So let's get started. Well, these are interesting colors, but here's where I'm not happy. I think I kind of want some negative space here. Yeah, like I kind of lost all the negative space on this. I do like the colors though. I think the gray, the silver, the purple, and the red all really go good together. But I'm just kind of, maybe I should do some negative space somewhere around here. I just think it's too much. Like I like this, so what I'm gonna do is blow that in like that to create some negative space there. I'm gonna try and do it here, although there's not much paint here. Okay, this is where my squeeze bottle would come in really handy because I love to be able to squeeze, you know, into spots here. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrape just a little part of this because I wanna add some negative space to it. So let me get a popsicle stick. I just think it's too much here. So I have enough gray left over. So I think, where do I want to do it? The corner, I think for sure. So I'm going to do the corner. And then I'll see about that other spot there. Okay, now I'm going to need my stool to kind of blow that out. I could use my little mini blower, but I kind of really prefer blowing it with my mouth. As long as I don't fall into the painting, right? So, very carefully, there we go. I like that better. And you know what? I think I'm gonna do that over here too, but I'm gonna wipe some of this off. You can always touch things up. I gotta use my left hand. I'm not left-handed, but this is a good way to show you guys how to fix something without completely scraping it and starting again. Just remember, whatever you do scrape though, you got to make sure you clean off those edges. Like right here, there's Quinacridone, which that doesn't work, right? Like here, watch. See? That's no good. You got to make sure you clean it off and put fresh base paint there, because then it's just not going to match, right? It's going to look silly. All right, I'm going to pour some here in the corner. Okay. All right, I'm in thought, so that's why I'm not really talking much here. You can just watch as I fix. There we go. Okay, I will fix the edges after. Right now my goal is to fix the top. So the last part I'm going to fix is just here. I'm just going to scrape. Do I want to scrape? Now that I added that corner up there, do I want to scrape it? Yeah, I think I still want to scrape it a little bit. Just a bit. Just a wee bit. Like, just a bit. Like that. All right, and I will add some gray, and I shall blow it now. See, it changes it completely, completely changes it. So now I just wipe off the edge here because the color ran down the side. You want to make sure you clean it off, and then just add some more base to make sure the edge is fully gray only and not have any color to it. So there you go. Ooh, look at this. That's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna fix up my edges where I added some negative space. I think that looks so much better. So I'm gonna fix that up and I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, so there you have it. I have already gone ahead and scraped the drips. So let's check this out up close. So now I'm really happy I added these negative spaces back into the painting. Now look at those cells there. Those are so interesting. There's going to be shimmer in this one because of the iridescent silver and then the Arteza purple one. But doesn't it look better now that I added those spots of negative space? I think it just breaks it up more. So I'm going to turn off the lights and let's see if there's any shimmer. All right, so let's bring it up close. Yep, I see it. Do you see it? There's definite shimmer happening in here. Oh, look at that. Look at the purple. Let's see, let me go a little closer. So this is going to get a top coat of crystal resin, so it will be available for purchase with all the other pieces that are available. If you are interested in one of these pieces, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. So there you have it, everybody. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Do you like the red and purple? I think for the next video, I'm going to go back to a white base. I'll think about it, or a black one. But I think I'm done with the gray series. Yeah, we'll see. But I've got 2 videos left, so we'll see what happens. But until then, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Don't forget the LoliVefe sale, the kit, and then Cyber Monday is the crystal resin kit sale. So don't miss out on those really, really great deals. And if you're interested in the green, the pink, the yellow, blue, or the blue, look at that reflection. So let me know if you're interested. Those are going to get top coated with crystal resin tonight. And that is it for me. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.